Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Nanjing Classwork Ticket Macro. So open the Excel Nanjing chapter 9. So click the start. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So activity name is Excel 19 classwork ticket macro and go 22 Excel chapter 9 greater 19 ticket macro. So click the download the materials and download the all files and go to the downloads, open the Word file and open the Excel files. So click the enable editing and next is open the Excel file. So assignment title is Excel Nanji ticket macro and we move to the project description. In this project you will create the macro in the workbook that is the set a specific print area prepare for a printing name tags. One macro will have keyboard shortcut associated and other will run command button. You will copy the finalized macro codes and blank in the workbook and then save the macro enable workbook in the Excel workbook. So we move to the main project step and total step is 10. So question number 1 is open the Excel workbook Excel 19 ticket macro access downloaded with this project. Ensure that the developer tab is enabled. If necessary, click the enable content button in the security message box for a best result. Ensure that your computer is connected to printer. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the Excel 19 ticket macro. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is on the sheet 1, A1 is selected. It's begun to record a macro and name the macro half day tickets and assign control and shortcut key. Do not close the macro dialog box. So on the sheet 1, so go to the sheet 1 and next is select with the A1 is selected. So select the A1 and next is begin to record macro and name the macro as half day tickets. Name the macro. So go to the data tabs and go to the developer tabs and open the begin the record macro and name the macro. So select the record macro and macro name is half day ticket and next is name the macro is half day tickets and assigns and and control n control n as the shortcut key and do not close the dialog box. And shortcut key is control and do not close the any dialog box. So shortcut is n. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is store the macro in this workbook and then enter the text macro for a half day ticket as the descriptions. Close the dialog box while recording the macro. Be sure to follow the step exactly as specified and do not switch between the window or worksheet in the between step. So store the macro in this workbook. Store in the macro in this workbook and enter the text macro for a half day ticket as the description. So copy the description and select the description, the macro for half day ticket, the description, and close the dialog box. While recording the macro, be sure follow the step exactly as specified. Do not switch between window or worksheet in the between step. And okay. So question number 3 is complete. So question number 3 is complete, and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, on the sheet 1 in the recording boards, drag the select the range C2 to E16 on a sheet 1, and in the recording boards, drag and select the C2 to E16. So C2 to E16, C2 to record. So recording mode. So in the sheet 1 and drag the C2 to E16. So C2 to E16. So question number 4 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.